Did you know that millions of men worldwide struggle with erectile dysfunction, ED? It's a widespread issue affecting over 300 million men globally. But what if the solution could be as simple as adding a few powerful seeds to your daily routine? That's right. These tiny nutritional powerhouses may hold the key to improving erectile function naturally. But here's the important question. How exactly do seeds work to repair and enhance erectile health? Which specific seeds are backed by science, and how long does it take to see noticeable results? In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating science behind how these seeds boost blood flow, enhance testosterone levels, and support overall vascular health, all crucial for erectile function. We'll walk you through the top seeds that have been proven to work, like pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and watermelon seeds, and show you exactly how to incorporate them into your diet for maximum benefits. You'll also learn how quickly you can start noticing improvements, so you know what to expect. Make sure to stay until the end because you won't want to miss these powerful, natural solutions. Remember, the information shared here is for educational purposes and should not substitute professional medical advice. Now let's dive into the top seeds for supporting erectile health. Let's start with pumpkin seeds, an excellent source of zinc, magnesium, and essential fatty acids that are vital for supporting men's sexual health. Zinc, in particular, is crucial for testosterone production, a hormone directly linked to libido and erectile function. Adequate levels of testosterone are essential for maintaining sexual desire and achieving healthy erections. Meanwhile, magnesium enhances blood circulation and helps relax blood vessels, facilitating better blood flow to the penis, which is essential for erectile health. A 2022 study published in Frontiers in Nutrition examined the link between dietary zinc intake and erectile dysfunction. Researchers discovered that men with higher zinc levels showed improved erectile performance, likely due to zinc's impact on testosterone production and nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is a key molecule that relaxes blood vessels, improving circulation, a critical factor in achieving and maintaining erections. Pumpkin seeds also contain beneficial phytochemicals, such as beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol that supports prostate health and hormone balance. These compounds contribute to improved sexual function by enhancing overall reproductive health. Additionally, the antioxidants found in pumpkin seeds, including vitamin E and polyphenols, help protect blood vessels from oxidative stress, promoting better blood flow essential for firm and lasting erections. To maximize the benefits of pumpkin seeds for erectile health, it's recommended to consume about 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. You can add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a quick snack. While they don't provide instant results, consistent consumption over several weeks can gradually improve testosterone levels, circulation, and overall erectile function. Moving on to number 2, flax seeds. These seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which play a vital role in enhancing blood circulation, an essential factor for achieving and maintaining erections. Proper blood flow to the penile tissues is crucial for sexual function, and flax seeds offer natural support in this area, particularly for men with conditions like cardiovascular disease that can impede circulation. Lignans, a type of polyphenol found abundantly in flax seeds, possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds are known to balance hormone levels, including testosterone, which is vital for male sexual health. A 2023 study published in Frontiers in Nutrition highlighted the impact of flaxseed lignans on vascular health. Researchers found that the anti-inflammatory effects of these lignans improved blood flow and hormonal regulation, leading to potential relief from symptoms of erectile dysfunction. By enhancing vascular health, flax seeds support overall sexual function, allowing for better circulation and improved erectile performance. In addition to lignans, flax seeds are also rich in arginine, an amino acid that stimulates nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a powerful vasodilator that relaxes blood vessels, enhancing blood flow to the penile tissues, which is essential for achieving firm and sustained erections. To experience the potential benefits of flax seeds, it's recommended to consume about 1 to 2 tablespoons, approximately 15 to 30 grams, of ground flax seeds daily. You can easily add them to smoothies, salads, or other meals. For optimal results, consistent use over several weeks to months is necessary to notice significant improvements in erectile function. Next, at number 3, we have chia seeds. Incorporating these nutrient-rich seeds into your diet may significantly enhance erectile function. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for supporting cardiovascular health. A healthy cardiovascular system is critical for maintaining adequate blood flow to the penis, an essential component for achieving and sustaining erections. Chia seeds are also rich in essential amino acids, including arginine, which is directly linked to increased nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it relaxes and widens blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow to the penile tissues. This enhanced circulation is crucial for achieving firm and lasting erections. A 2023 study published in the Yale Journal of Biology and Medicine explored the impact of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants on vascular health, finding that these nutrients help improve blood vessel function, which can alleviate symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Beyond omega-3s, chia seeds also contain various phytochemicals like lignans and flavonoids. These compounds have potent anti-inflammatory and hormone-regulating properties, potentially boosting testosterone levels and enhancing overall sexual function. By reducing inflammation and balancing hormones, chia seeds may contribute to improved erectile health. To maximize the benefits of chia seeds, it is recommended to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. You can easily add them to smoothies, salads, yogurt, or even sprinkle them over oatmeal. Keep in mind that the effects on circulation and sexual health may take several weeks to become noticeable, as consistent intake is needed for long-term improvements. Combining this dietary change with other healthy lifestyle habits, such as regular exercise and a balanced diet, can further enhance the benefits. At number 4, we have sesame seeds, which are rich in zinc, calcium, and antioxidants, making them an excellent option for supporting erectile function. A 2023 study published in the Redux Report examined the role of zinc in testosterone regulation and confirmed that zinc deficiency can negatively impact sexual performance. Since sesame seeds are a significant source of zinc, they have the potential to help boost testosterone levels, which is crucial for maintaining sexual health. In addition to zinc, sesame seeds contain lignans, specifically sesamin and sesamol, which are powerful antioxidants. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress, an important factor to consider, as oxidative stress can damage blood vessels and restrict blood flow to the penis. By enhancing nitric oxide bioavailability, lignans play a vital role in relaxing blood vessels and promoting healthy circulation, both of which are essential for achieving and maintaining erections. Furthermore, sesame seeds are rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids, which support cardiovascular health. A healthy heart is intricately tied to erectile function. Improved heart health leads to better blood circulation, ultimately enhancing erectile quality. To experience optimal benefits, it is recommended to consume about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds daily. Regular intake over a few months, combined with a healthy lifestyle, may gradually contribute to noticeable improvements in erectile function. However, patience is essential, as the effects may take several weeks to months to manifest, depending on individual factors such as diet, exercise, and overall health. Number 5. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are packed with vital nutrients that can significantly contribute to enhancing erectile health. One of their standout components is vitamin E, a potent antioxidant known for its ability to protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. This protection is crucial because oxidative stress can impair circulation, which is essential for achieving and maintaining erections. Proper blood flow ensures that the penile tissues receive the oxygen and nutrients necessary for optimal function. In addition to vitamin E, sunflower seeds are rich in arginine, an amino acid that plays a crucial role in the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule that helps relax blood vessels, facilitating increased blood flow to the penis. A 2024 study published in the World Journal of Men's Health emphasizes the importance of vitamin E and other antioxidants in reducing endothelial dysfunction, a condition often linked to erectile dysfunction. By enhancing endothelial function, sunflower seeds may support the physiological mechanisms necessary for achieving an erection. Moreover, sunflower seeds contain phytosterols, which are known for their cholesterol-lowering properties. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is critical, as high cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in arteries, restricting blood flow. To reap the benefits of sunflower seeds for erectile health, it's recommended to consume about 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. These can be easily incorporated into salads, smoothies, or snacks. While individual results may vary, consistent consumption over several weeks can lead to noticeable improvements in erectile function. The blood flow enhancement from sunflower seeds operates similarly to the effects of popular erectile dysfunction medications, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Number 6. Watermelon seeds for erectile dysfunction. Watermelon seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can provide significant benefits for those struggling with erectile dysfunction, ED. Rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats, these seeds play a crucial role in enhancing sexual health. Magnesium is vital for blood circulation, as it helps relax blood vessels and improve overall blood flow, which is essential for achieving and maintaining erections. Zinc, another important mineral found in watermelon seeds, is integral to testosterone production. Adequate testosterone levels are essential for sexual arousal and performance. A deficiency in zinc has been linked to lower testosterone levels, which can negatively affect libido and erectile function. Additionally, watermelon seeds contain arginine, an amino acid known for its role in increasing nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow to the penile tissues, making it easier to achieve and sustain an erection. A 2021 study published in the World Journal of Men's Health highlighted the benefits of dietary sources of arginine, suggesting that watermelon seeds may offer a natural alternative to pharmaceutical interventions for ED. For those looking to incorporate watermelon seeds into their diet, consuming a handful, about 30 grams, of dried, roasted seeds daily can provide these health benefits. As improvements in blood flow and vascular health are gradual, consistent consumption over several weeks is recommended to experience the full effects on erectile function. Next, number 7, velvet bean seeds. Velvet bean seeds, known scientifically as Mucuna pruriens, are emerging as a valuable natural remedy for erectile dysfunction, ED. These seeds contain bioactive compounds that can enhance sexual health by improving hormonal balance and promoting neurotransmitter activity. A significant component of velvet bean seeds is L-dopa, a precursor to dopamine. Dopamine is crucial for sexual arousal and regulating erections, as it stimulates the release of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and increases blood flow to the penis. In addition to L-dopa, velvet bean seeds are rich in various phytochemicals, including alkaloids, flavonoids, and tannins, which possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, a significant contributor to erectile dysfunction. A 2023 study published in the Egyptian Journal of Basic and Applied Sciences found a direct correlation between velvet bean consumption, increased dopamine levels, and improved blood flow, leading to enhanced erectile function and sperm quality. For those interested in using velvet bean seeds as a supplement for erectile dysfunction, they are often available in powdered form. The recommended dosage typically ranges from 5 to 10 grams per day, depending on the concentration of L-dopa in the product. Users may begin to notice improvements after several weeks of consistent consumption. However, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially for personalized advice regarding long-term use and potential interactions with other medications. And since you stayed until the end of the video, we have a special bonus for you. Number 8. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds, derived from the cannabis sativa plant, are a nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous health benefits, including potential support for erectile function. These tiny seeds are packed with essential nutrients that can enhance overall health and well-being, making them a valuable addition to any diet. One of the most notable benefits of hemp seeds is their high content of essential fatty acids, particularly omega-3 and omega-6. These fats are crucial for maintaining healthy blood circulation, which is vital for achieving and sustaining erections. Improved blood flow ensures that the penis receives adequate oxygen and nutrients, enhancing sexual function. In addition to healthy fats, hemp seeds are an excellent source of protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to support their muscle health and overall physical performance, which can be linked to sexual vitality. Hemp seeds are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting blood vessels from oxidative stress and improving circulation. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, further facilitating blood flow. Zinc plays a critical role in testosterone production, a hormone essential for libido and erectile function. For those interested in incorporating hemp seeds into their diet, they are versatile and easy to use. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into yogurt for a nutritious boost. A recommended serving is about 2 to 3 tablespoons per day. In conclusion, adding hemp seeds to your diet can offer a range of benefits that may support erectile function. Their nutrient profile contributes to better circulation, hormonal balance, and overall health, making them a valuable superfood for anyone looking to enhance their sexual well-being. That wraps up today's video. We hope you discovered valuable insights into how these remarkable seeds can enhance your sexual health. Now we want to hear from you. Are you currently incorporating any of these seeds into your diet? If so, have you noticed any positive changes in your sexual health? Perhaps you have other superfoods in mind that could assist with erectile issues. We invite you to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments section below. Your feedback is incredibly important to us. If you found this video helpful, please let us know by typing yes in the comment box. Your support truly inspires us to continue creating more informative content like this. We appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to watch and engage with our channel. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember to like and subscribe for more health tips and updates. Together, we can explore more ways to improve our well-being and empower each other on our health journeys. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.